see why people like these things, even though they have their issues. They definitely sound good. All right, guys, we're backing this thing up. Just listen to it. Sounds really good. All right, we have it in position, so let's do the same sound test we did before. We're in the Ford. We did the MBRP exhaust 4-inch turbo back, did the S&B cold air intake, and we did the Livewire TSC, I believe it is, Livewire tuner. So let's take this thing out for a little test drive and just see how it performs. Here's the extreme. Guys, first impression is it's got a nice tone to it. Shifts are nice and firm. Definitely hear the turbo. Pull out here and get on a little bit more. Guys, there's the acceleration from a dead stop, no boost launch. Alright guys, that was the street tune. Now we're in performance. Smoke. Pull out here on the same stretch. Feels pretty decent. Not a huge difference from street, but definitely more power. It definitely smokes on this dude. Let's give it the rev test in the performance setting. Got the 6-liter fired up here. This thing absolutely just sounds like a jet idling. Pretty insane. The customer's actually on his way here to pick us up, so we're gonna get washed up. Obviously it's not a very nice day out, but the pollen is just absolutely crazy on this thing, so we're gonna get washed up here quick for him, have it ready to take home. All right guys, we got it all washed up. We're not going to worry about drying it because it is raining right now. Not hard, but sprinkling, so wouldn't do much good. Honestly, it does really need it, but it's just going to get wet. Take one last listen to that exhaust. Man, that's even on idle. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.